know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Mr. Utley. No time to count what I'm worth, 'cause I just left the planet Earth. Where I go, I hope there's rum. Not to worry, monsoon come. Now I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when a volcano blows. One more now. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when a volcano blows. But I don't want to land in the New York City. I don't want to land in Mexico. I don't want to land on no 3 Mile Island. I don't want to see my skin not glow. I don't want to land in Comanche Sky Park or in Nashville, Tennessee. I don't want to land in no San Juan Airport or the Yukon Territory. Don't want to land no San Diego. Don't want to land in no Buzzards Bay. Don't want to land on no Ayatollah. I got nothing more to say. I don't know. I don't know.